momentum is the case when object is not moving in a straight line. Object is moving in two axes, called linear momentum. But when you play carom board, when you play snooker, any game like that, or billiard, so you will notice that the balls move here and there. This is actually this is actually a concept of this is actually a concept of two-dimensional motion. Look at the ball A going to hit ball B. After twice they go in this way. Carom board is the best example if you have a taste of playing that or if you have seen it. Now the two balls, the two discs move in other directions. It is called 2D. So if particles move in two dimensions, say x and y before and after collision, it is called 2D interaction. Now the steps are needed. The method requires proper attention, solving 2D momentum. Let me share it with you first, and then uh, you can memorize it, and um, we can see it. I'm sorry, I have to stop the screen share. Actually,
Mm.
here internet is in severe problem. I have shared a worksheet also with you.
Uh, Sir, I'm going to buy topical past papers. So, are there any books you think I should buy?
Uh, from UAE or from Pakistan.
From Pakistan. My dad will buy them.
Is he there? Is he going there?
Yeah, yeah. No, my dad is in Pakistan right now.
Oh, then let me share with you the book's picture.
Okay.
So then it will be easy for him to get the books. Otherwise, names can create a problem. Let me share the pictures with you. And there are two options, but you have to tell him that he has to buy one of them because maybe in a city where he is, maybe he get one particular book or doesn't get the other one. So I'm going to share with you two publishers. One is called Read and Write, and second is called MS Books. But you have to specifically inform him that he is not supposed to buy both of them, right? But one of them. Okay. Now
Okay.
read the steps. Let me share the book.
Analyze the situation, identify the vectors, line vectors.
So have you read it? I have already shared with it. No need to copy. Just try to absorb in your brain, and you can refer that it is posted there.
Sir, we need to find the vectors of x and y differently.
Hmm. Actually, you can say that you have to solve this question. You have to make two equations separately.
One for x axis and the other for y axis.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Have you seen it? Now,
Yes.
now copy this sample.
Mm, done, sir.
I have shared with two pictures. Now, resolve it.
Mm, two. This is sine theta. Done, sir.
We have resolved it. Remember, momentum itself is a vector also. I have resolved velocity. This is a better option. Momentum is also a vector, so momentum can also be resolved, but I have preferred resolving, the velocities.
Okay.
Okay, now this is the equation. Apply this equation separately for x and y axes.
Okay. Access.
You have to copy this.
And done, sir.
Now, example one, can you open the PDF I have sent to you?
Yes, sir. Uh, yes, sir. It's open.
So I have shared with you the pair of books. I hope you understand that these are the two publishers. So you can buy either Read and Write Paper 1 2 or you buy MS Publishers Book Paper 1 2.
Okay.
Okay, I also share with you a good book notes book which you can buy. This is an option if you buy.
Mm,
Acha, now these are good publishers. You can get books for other subjects also.
okay, sir. Yes.
The figure on the next page shows a collision between two pucks on an air hockey table, and A has a mass of 0.025 kg and is moving along the x-axis with a velocity of plus 5.5. It makes a collision with puck B, which has a mass of 0.050 kg and is initially at rest.
E.
Okay, you have read the question. Look at the diagram.
Yes. We will resolve the 65 and 37 into their vectors.
Acha, now you have seen, you have the PDF. So if you want, you can solve on the PDF. And we have to start it in a way that we have to first consider the resolution, but we have to first make a data sheet. We have to identify the horizontal component, the vertical component, but we should remember that mass does not change. There is in momentum, there is always a common theme. Case of initial, I mean before collision, and case of final, I mean situation after collision. Look at this. Huh? So draw this diagram.
Here. Done, sir. 0.0.
Okay. Now I have made a data, it's a paper two style question. So now you have to make a data sheet. You have to show all the info you have.
Q1 is 5.5. Q2 is 0. V1 and V2 is X. Done, sir.
Right. Now, this is the situation after collision. Now draw it as a separate diagram. It's better to make a separate diagram.
Calculation says. Done, sir. 37.
Now look at this. Okay, now I'm going to resolve the situation. I have resolved the two velocities. So please see the resolution.
V2. Okay, sir. I got this much.
Now, for x-axis, this is now here the technical work starts. You have to solve the question for x-axis and for y-axis separately. Okay, this is the x-axis line, and I have shown the components before and after collision. I have made a box here, and I have written total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision. So you have to look at this.
So it will be 0.025 multiplied by 2. Uh, Done, sir. How will we find the velocity?
Hmm. Acha, now you have to carefully insert the values.
Yeah. 0.025. 60. 0.010. Okay, done, sir.
Now, this is the first equation. This is the first equation. Mark it equation number 1.
Done.
There is no motion. Now I have highlighted y-axis. Look at the y-axis situation. A big box I have made on y-axis.
Sir, there was no momentum before collision, so before collision will be zero.
There is no motion.
Two. Nine.
Now look at the insertion of second equation.
Nine. Sir, why is the second velocity negative?
Mhm.
Oh, it's going downwards.
Sorry,
Why is the second velocity negative?
because it's second velocity negative. Acha, you're talking about V2 sine 37.
Yes.
One is upward, one is downward now.
Okay. 03001. 2 will be 0.02. Okay, yes, sir, I got this much.
Now I have made V2 as a subject in my equation.
P2 27. So, sir, 0.757 is the value of V2.
No, it's 0.757 V1. It's a value of V2. It's a going to be a simultaneous solution now.
Okay.
So look at it. V2 contains V1.
Yes. Understood.
So now go for simultaneous and put this value in equation 1. You have two equations now back to back. Look at these two equations, solve them simultaneously and get the answer. I'm just coming in a minute. Solve these two equations.
Yes. 06. 90106. 506. Point.
Your calculator must be degree mode.
Sir, why is 0.1375 the numerator?
Huh? The because we have to make V1 the subject now.
Okay, okay. I was doing it the opposite way. I put 0.04 as the numerator.
How? No,
No, sir,
actually,
I didn't make V1 the subject.
oh,
Okay.